Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Educa Tutoria Academy. This is second part of multiple choice questions on photoelectric effect. For the first part, please see the description. The stopping potential in photoelectric experiment is the A. Minimum positive potential, B. Maximum positive potential, C. Minimum negative potential, D. Maximum negative potential. The right option is option C. Minimum negative potential. The energy of a photon is directly proportional to A. Wavelength, B. Amplitude, C. Intensity, D. Frequency. The right option is option D. Frequency. For a given metal, the kinetic energy of photoelectrons varies with A. Work function of metal, B. Intensity of radiation, C. Frequency of radiation, D. Angle of incident radiation. The right option is option C. Frequency of radiation. What is the momentum of a photon? A. P is equal to h lambda, B. P is equal to h nu over c, C. P is equal to h nu, D. P is equal to h lambda over c. The right option is option B. P is equal to h nu over c. The evacuated tube is used in photoelectric experiment to A. Accelerate electrons, B. Prevent collisions of electrons with air molecules, D. Stop the motion of electrons, D. Increase the photoelectrons. The right option is option B. Prevent collisions of electrons with air molecules. What happens in the photoelectric effect when intensity is doubled while the frequency of incident light is constant and above threshold? A. Kinetic energy of electrons increases, B. Kinetic energy of electrons decreases, C. Number of emitted electrons increases, D. Work function increases. The right option is option C. Number of emitted electrons increases. The photoelectric effect is a one photon, one electron process, B. One photon, two electrons process, C. One electron, two photons process, D. One photon, one phonon process. The right option is option A. One photon, one electron process. The maximum kinetic energy of emitted electrons in photoelectric effect is directly related to A. Work function, B. Stopping potential, C. Intensity of incident light, D. Temperature of the metal. The true option is option B. Stopping potential. The photoelectric current reaches saturation when A. Intensity of light reduces to zero, B. Frequency of light reduces to zero, C. The stopping potential is increased, D. All emitted electrons are collected by collector. The right option is option D. All emitted electrons are collected by collector. What is the effect on photoelectric emission if the intensity of incident radiation is kept constant and the wavelength is increased gradually? A. Frequency decreases and eventually emission stops, B. Photocurrent increases, C. Energy of electrons increases, D. Energy of photons increases. The right option is option A. Frequency decreases and eventually emission stops.